Today we'll focus on that Sport Kit menu. There's a couple of features that are in the Sport Kit menu: speed limiter, tire diameter, shift pattern, SP quick shifter, sprocket settings, and start mode revs. Speed limiter, you pick in kilometers per hour what speed you want to have your speed limiter, 49 k's all the way up to 71 k, currently off. Tire diameter, this is crucial for functionality. You pick your front tire diameter in millimeters, your rear tire diameter in millimeters. You pick your shift pattern, reverse or standard. Determine whether you're using the kit quick shifter or the street quick shifter. Then there's the sprocket. You set the sprocket values for front sprocket and tooth count for rear sprocket. And then you can pick the revs that your launch control will be at, from 6,000 revs all the way to 12,000 revs.